Hello everyone, welcome to Happy Little Learners Kannada. Today we are learning animals and birds. ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳ ಹೆಸರುಗಳನ್ನು ಕಲಿಯೋಣ. In English and Kannada. Lion. Lion in Kannada called Simha. In Kannada, lion called Simha. You can try repeating with me Simha. Very good. Next, tiger. Tiger is called in Kannada is Huli. Huli is a tiger. Tiger in Kannada is Huli. Huli. Very good. Elephant. Elephant is called Aane. Aane is a elephant. In Kannada, elephant is called Aane. Try repeating Aane. Very good. Horse. Horse is Kudure. Kudure. Try telling with me Kudure. Kudure. Very good. Try repeating again Kudure. Rabbit. Rabbit in Kannada called Mola. 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 Rabbit is Mola. Very good. You repeated Mola. Deer. Deer is called in Kannada Jinke. Jinke. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಜಿಂಕೆ. ಟ್ರೈ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ಜಿಂಕೆ. ಗೋಟ್. ಗೋಟ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಈಸ್ ಮೇಕೆ. Easy, right? Goat is called in Kannada Meke. Meke. Yes, it's Meke. Wolf. Wolf in Kannada called Tola. Wolf in Kannada is Tola. Try repeating Tola. Tola. Very good. Next, bear. Bear in Kannada called Karadi. Karadi is bear. Bear in Kannada we call it as Karadi. Try repeating Karadi. Very good. Dog. Dog in Kannada is Nai. Nai. Dog in Kannada is Nai. Dog in Kannada we call it as Nai. We learned almost 10 animals. So let's try revisioning them. Lion is Simha. Tiger Huli. Elephant Aane. Horse Kudure. Rabbit Mola. Deer Jinke. Goat Meke. Wolf Tola. Bear Karadi. And dog Nai. Next we'll learn birds. Eagle is Kannada, it is called Giduga. Eagle is Giduga. Eagle, Giduga. Try repeating Giduga. Parrot. Parrot is called Guinea. It is also called Gili. Guinea or Gili. Parrot is called in Kannada Guinea. Next is Goobe. Goobe is owl. Owl is Goobe. In Kannada, owl is called Goobe. Try repeating Goobe. Very good. Next, dove. Dove bird in Kannada called Parivala. Parivala. Dove bird is called Parivala. Parivala. Repeat with me Parivala. Duck. Next is duck. Batukoli. We call it as Batukoli. Try repeating Batukoli. Yes, Batukoli. Next is swan. Swan in Kannada is Hamsa. Swan in Kannada called Hamsa. Very good. Try repeating Hamsa. Very good. Next, crow. Crow in Kannada we call it as Kage. Crow is called as Kage. Try repeating Kage. Kage. Good. Next, peacock. Peacock in Kannada is navilu. Navilu. Peacock in Kannada called navilu. Navilu. Repeat with me, navilu. Sparrow. Sparrow is gubbachi. Sparrow in Kannada called gubbachi. 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 Very good. Next is rooster. Rooster is koli. Koli. In Kannada, rooster called koli. Koli. Rooster in Kannada called koli. Now we learned almost 10 bird names. Let's revision them. Eagle, giduga. Parrot, guinea. Owl, gube. Dove, parivala. Duck, batukoli. Swan, hamsa. Crow, kage. Navilu, peacock. Sparrow, gubbachi. Rooster is koli. We learned almost 10 animals and 10 birds. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Happy learning Kannada. See you in the next video. Thank you.